Okay, if you were looking for Android 13 based custom ROM alongside all those customizations, unfortunately there are not many ROMs available. Yes, we have some custom ROMs available based on Android 13, but no major customizations there. But we have an option to enable all those customizations in Android 13, even if you're using pixel based Android 13 on your device, and this is one of the best things. Let me show you my quick settings panel as quickly. If you're able to notice here, my quick settings panel is something kind of different, which you don't get by default in Android 13. Yes, it's quite normal by the way, and you don't get in Android 13. You can customize this according to your own preference if you want to, and how you can do that I will talk about that, but make sure your device is rooted. Another thing, if you're able to notice at my status bar, is as you can see the seconds are enabled in clock, even that day option is available. We have network traffic monitor. I haven't installed any third-party app, and alongside that, if you're able to notice here, I also applied some custom icon packs in my status bar. And yes, if you guessed it already, you were right, this is AOSP modes. I made a video on AOSP modes in previous times also when it was available for Android 12 or Android 12L, and yes, it was expected to work on Android 13. It is working perfectly fine, but I think so only Canary version will work. Even the stable might work for sure, but Canary version is recommended. You can install that thing. Link is already available in the description alongside with the installation tutorial. I'll provide you the video. If you take a look at some miscellaneous customizations, you just saw some volume button options related things. We have disabled screenshot sound. Navigation bar option is actually my favorite, to be honest. What it is, if I enable this option, reduce space on keyboard, what is this? If you enable this option, you'll be able to hide that space below the keyboard, below that navigation bar. So I like this thing a lot. Some locks and customizations have basic things, for example shuffle pin, etc, etc. So I don't think so I'm going to talk about this much, so let's skip this thing. Theming option includes some icon style options, icon shape options, and all these things. Icon style is one of my favorite options. If you just saw here, Archer's theme is what I've applied. At my status bar, you just saw the Wi-Fi icon, and all these icons are already present. You can also use this option if you want to. Some quick settings have the major customizations. As you just saw at the starting point, that I have enabled those quick setting tiles options, and you just saw those. All these options are there. If I try to enable any theme here, yes, it gave me force close, but yes, it worked. If you're able to notice, it is working perfectly fine. So yes, you can use this thing if you want to. We have the option available. It might be a minor bug that the app force close, but yes, it's Android 13, so it's okay. It's definitely okay. You can enable other options too, maximum tiles in quick settings panel, some brightness slider, as you can see, quick settings option, and some few of the status bar customizations as expectedly are already present, like show vibrate and silent icons, number of unread messages, status bar clock customizations, some battery icon customizations, and almost here and there some VoLTE customizations are also there too. So yes, these are the things that you have available in this. This was about AOSP modes, and yes, if you're looking for Android 13 based custom ROM, you can definitely install any, and you can use AOSP modes in it to customize it, and you'll be able to use Android 13 with customizations. Of course, you need to have your device rooted, and I think so Magis 25.2 or 3, Magis 25 or 25.1 or 2, maybe it's not working. So you can use Canary version for that too. We'll provide you the link in the description for that, and you need these two modules, and alongside with all those installation things, that how you can install AOSP modes on your device. As I just mentioned, the video for installation tutorial is already available there. So these were things I just want to let you know about. And if I tell you about LSPOS, the version I'm using here is 1.8.3. While making this video, this is only the latest version which we have, and this is the module which you need to enable from LSPOS. If you're already familiar with all these things, you don't even need installation tutorial. And yes, just joking, link is already there. This is all. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.